Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we're going to show you a pair of James speakers that we are doing, and these are our OW63Qs. And if you look at them, the quality of manufacturing is really good. They're all powder coated, nice powder coat finish to them. And if we actually look, they powder coat the grills to match them as well. And right here, I've already taken one of the grills off so you can see the drivers and the array of tweeters in the middle. And we've already installed our bracket on the back side as well. And just to, further along, you guys don't want to watch me drill into this brick, so we went ahead and we mounted our brackets over here if you want to take a look. So we've got one bracket here, and then I'll have one bracket down there. And the reason we're doing these, that they did have some existing speakers just like these over here, but they really couldn't hear them out in the pool area over there. So, they wanted to upgrade, so we got them into these James, and now we're about to knock their socks off. You guys remember to like and subscribe down below. Have a great choice day. Speaker up, and we want to show you what it looks like after we got it up. So with this bracket, like I said, we can tilt it up and down. So we'll have a slight tilt on it, and it is very sturdy. I know it looks like I was easily moving it, but I'm using a little bit, so they're not going to move on you, and they're not going to vibrate down. Hey guys, we're back here. We got these James Loudspeaker speakers up. We have them nice and sounding good. We got that one over there. So if we just take a look, and we've got the two speakers, we've got two speakers over there, and we've got two speakers over there, and we also have a sub in the client's flower bed over there, which will make this whole pool feel really good around here. And that's just those one pair of speakers that you're hearing through my microphone right now. And that's at about 50% volume, maybe less. So, and that right there is just our cabana patio speakers that we have added. And now I'm going to add the sub to the equation for you guys. And there's a little bit of the sub added in the equation. It's nice, really good quality sound out here next to the pool, even with the waterfall going, all the pool noise. It's very crisp and clear. You can hear all the notes and all the words. Remember, James Loudspeaker and Great Choice Audio Video. You guys have a great choice day.